Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, actually I have no idea what I'm filming today. All I know is that I have a couple of things here that are new and that I'm excited to play with. Also, a bunch of things that I'm using I got for really uncomfortably cheap. So in my next video, I'm doing my makeup now with you guys, because my next video I'm going to be talking about all this high-end makeup that I basically got for dirt cheap. I practically ran out of the store and stole it. That's how cheap it was. Alright, so let's get past the chit chat and let's put on some primer. I'm using the Physicians Formula Spotlight Primer. I actually didn't notice that this says it has with age defying actives. Not entirely sure what that means, but I'm gonna use context clues and assume that it has some anti-aging ingredients in it. I'm just rubbing it into my skin. It gives such a nice glow. If you guys are new, I love this stuff and I totally recommend it if you like a nice radiant glow under your foundation. If you guys watch me, you are probably extremely tired of me repeating this, but this primer is really good. Today I'm like stuttering and tripping on my words. I don't know what's happening. Okay, so I already set my eyelids with some powder. I used the Rimmel Stay Matte in case you guys are curious. I'm going into my Z palette and I'm getting a fluffy brush and going into Makeup Geek's Peach Smoothie. The Norvina palette that I'm going to use doesn't have a light enough transition shade than what I'm looking for. Their shades are a little bit dark on the darker end, so I want this to kind of just put it in the transition area so that we can have a little something to work with. Okay, now we have the transition down. Now let's move to the palette. Okay, I'm going to start with this shade right here, Incense. I'm going to start lightly working that into my crease. Just back and forth with a really light hand. I'm loving the blend and like the fusion of the colors with Peach Smoothie and Incense. It's just making such a nice color. I really like that. It's so pretty. You guys also may have noticed that I have been less active on Twitter and on Instagram. I just came back from this trip to Atlanta. I was just like reflecting on a lot of things, and I've just been planning a lot of things with my sister, and I've just become pretty busy in that and pretty busy with like work and a lot of things. So I kind of was like laying low on social media. I think it's always good to have like a kind of like detox from social media, because social media can become toxic, you know, for many reasons, because people are always arguing on there about something. You also see people's lives a lot, and I have this like really bad habit of comparing myself to other people, which is something like I'm really trying really hard to work on. But you know, it's obviously difficult. Like, I'm a person and I have like certain dreams, and then I get sad when I see other people are living out things I'm dreaming of. It's almost like a feeling like, man, I wish I was there. I wish I was doing that. It's almost like a FOMO, you know, and that's really not good. I actually read about something called social media depression. I was like, holy shit, is this literally a thing? But how can it not be a thing? I mean, on social media, we're basically fed filtered and perfect lives of everyone, and we think our life is shit compared to everybody else's. But it's not, so don't believe that. Everybody's life is shit. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, like, everyone's life has its ups and downs, so don't buy into the shit you see on social media, because that's what it is. It's shit. Actually, I want to go deeper, and I'm going to use Eccentric, and I'm going to pop that. Oh, this is a nice color. Wow, that's like really pigmented. I mean, my brush is extra dirty, but that's pretty pigmented. I'm going to pop that color right here on the outer corner, and then I'm going to start wiggling it in that area right on the lid. I don't want to bring it up too high just yet, just wiggling it right there. By the way, guys, if you're looking for a really good blending brush, this is the Morphe R37. It's really good. I really like it. I use it often. It's really fluffy, it's not super dense, and it just helps blend out things really, really nicely. Now I'm gonna go into Summer with my finger, and I'm going to just pop that on the inner portion of my eyelid. Wow, that's nice, I like it. Putting shimmer shadows on with your finger, I feel like it gives the best like payoff with colors. It really shows them really well. And on the outer corner, I'm just giving it like a little blend. I'm gonna go into this color Base right here, and I'm gonna use that to highlight the brow bone. Normally I don't use mattes to highlight the brow bone, but I wanted something a little matte under there. And I'm gonna put some right here under the brow. This is gonna highlight the brow. That's just a little tip for you guys. I know on Instagram a lot of people have like really like sharp brows. I know Kylie Jenner, like you see like kind of like the highlight under her brow. You can just use a really, really light eyeshadow for that. Now I'm gonna use the NYX Epic Ink Liner to line my lash line. Jesus. That was my dog snoring. Okay, now I'm gonna get a kind of clean, kind of dirty makeup wipe, and I'm going to clean any fallout that might have occurred. And I'm going to sharpen up my eyeshadow and my wing. When does the sun set?
Sunset will be at 7:40 p.m.
Okay, got 30 minutes. I'm gonna use these Kiss lashes. They are nice and wispy, and I don't want any lashes I put on to kind of just overpower my little wing. So right now I'm just measuring the lash, making sure I don't have to cut it before I put it on. Okay, so while my lash is dry, I'm gonna put on some foundation. This is the foundation I wanted. Hold please. Okay, I got the foundation I wanted. I had the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I want the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. They have a new shade in 128, which is my shade. It seemed a little warm, so I'm a little sus about it. I'm blending it in with my Shop Miss A Beauty sponge. It is damp. I dampen it with water. It helps everything blend out way better. It absorbs much less product, and it's only $1, people. $1. For concealer, I really wanted to try this out. It just looks so light. Let me mix it with my Sephora gel serum, and I don't know, hopefully that balances out, because this is already pretty light. Look at that. Look at how light that is. I literally got it on a whim. I couldn't test it. I couldn't test it, guys. It's not my fault. CVS needs to bring out testers. I'm going to blend that in and hope, pray to baby Jesus, pray to Mary and Joseph that this blends good together, like they mesh well. I'm making sure to really take my time blending it out with the sponge. The sponge is gonna blend everything out seamlessly, but you have to take your time. Your base, your foundation, your concealer are the most important things. You want everything to really really be blended out. That was a tongue twister. That was a tongue twister. It wasn't my fault. Really be blended out. Really be blended out. Okay, all right, next. Let's move on to the next thing. These are one of the things that I got really cheap. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in Oyster. I'm putting some on the back of my hand. It is so beautiful, guys. It gives such a nice, like, elegant, gorgeous glow from within that everyone is always trying to achieve. This literally does that. Like, watch. I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger, and you are gonna see like how beautiful the finish is. I'm going in with a powder highlighter later. I'm just setting a nice like tacky base for the highlighter after. Now I'm gonna go with my, what is it called? RCMA. I don't remember because I don't have the bottle. I put it in this empty Cover FX little container that I had. It's the RCMA No Color Powder. There it is, the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm gonna just put it on the inner corner of my under eye and not over the highlight. I want to leave the highlight to be set for the powder highlighter. I'm going to use this small pencil brush. This is the Morphe E18. There's hair stuck to all of my things. We're gonna go into Incense, and we are going to blend that into the lower lash line. I'm giving it a really nice light blend just to give a little bit of dimension to the lower lash line. Nothing crazy or heavy. I want it to remain subtle and like a neutral, nice, like everyday, wearable, elegant, glam look. Nothing too bold. For my waterline, instead of going in with a pencil, I'm using this Pretty Vulgar gel liner. This is the color Blacklist. And I'm going in with an angled brush, and I'm gonna just stamp that into my waterline. Now I'm gonna coat my top and bottom lashes with the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara in Carbon Black. Now I'm gonna get my lash curler. Almost there. And give it a nice little squeeze so that they can all blend in together. And we can fool everybody and they think that they're my natural lashes. Okay, we're going into Dreamer, and we're going to pop that on the inner corner for a little bit of Anastasia, if you're watching this, can you please, for the love, make Dreamer into a cheek highlighter? Look at this. Okay, now let's do bronzing and contouring. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I use this. As a matter of fact, I feel like I overuse this. I use this in every video, but I love it. I feel like it's such a good, like, happy middle ground. I don't have to like do the whole bronzing and contouring. No, I just do one. They're perfect. I mean, it's perfect. Where's they? Why is there two? And then I'll go in with some RCMA No Color powder to just really sharpen it up and define everything. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Moonlight Pearls highlighter, which is a really great affordable highlighter. Wow, I love, oh my god, I love it. Guys, I love this. What? I'm so happy. And I got this brush for so cheap, I think for like $3. We are almost done, so now I'm gonna put blush, and then we're gonna move on to the lips. For blush, I'm using the Smashbox palette right here called LA Lights, and I'm going into the center color. It is called True Berry, and I'm going to just pop it over the highlight and contour area. I normally don't do such bright blush, but I'm feeling saucy today. For lips, I'm gonna be using this lipstick right here, which is my first time trying this brand's lipstick. This is from Live Glam. I get my makeup brushes every month from them. I'll link it down below so you guys can sign up also. This is like not sponsored or anything. I'm just like kind of giving you the background story as to how the hell I ended up with this lipstick. So you get like a good amount of Morphe brushes every month for $19.99, which I love. I'm a big brush collector. I love getting brushes, so I've been subscribed to them for a really long time, and I just get brushes every month, so I'll link it down below so you guys can subscribe and get your own. The company Live Glam also has like lipsticks, and I think they just came out with like an eyeshadow club thing. So this lipstick caught my attention. It was from a collaboration of someone called Let's Do Makeup. I don't know who she is. She's absolutely beautiful. I saw some pictures of her, but I've never heard of her. But her collaboration, her lipsticks are really, really pretty. And this is the one, Crystal, coincidentally. And that's the one we're gonna use today. So that's my whole background story on how I got upon this lipstick. And these are really comfortable. At least I only tried this color out of the three, and it wore really well, and it was really comfortable, and I was really happy with it. So I think wait, no, we gotta set it. This is my first time using this, so I'm hoping it's good. This is the Ulta Beauty Illuminating Setting Spray. Oh, it has like a little thing in it. I also got this super cheap. Ooh, it smells like roses. Ooh, and it also smells like alcohol. Wow, how much alcohol does that have? Well, it's the second ingredient, so that already says enough. This has to be one of my favorite looks that I've done in a really, really, really long time. I just love these types of looks. This very like everyday go-to glam I love, and I just realized I have a hole in this shirt right here. But I love this. I love this look. I love the colors. So far, the shadows that I've used from the Norvina palette have been great. I love how it blended with Peach Smoothie. This lip is beautiful. I love all the new products that I've tried today. They're all great. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Leave any requests for any videos that you may have in the comments. It's been a while since I've taken some requests from you guys, so I'm like dying to hear what you guys have brewing up in your little brains for me. If you enjoyed this video, if you liked it at all, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. Make sure you are subscribed and you turn the little notification bell on so that you can be notified every time that I do upload, because YouTube has been having a little situation that it has been notifying people. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Have a beautiful day or night wherever it is that you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.